Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see the other type of question related to cube and cuboid. Here is a question. Hamid has built a cubical water tank with lid for his house, with each other edge 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base covered with the square tiles of side 25 cm. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of the tile is rupees 360 per dozen. Children, so now we will see the solution, how we are going to solve this question. And this question is related to a cubical tank. So better to draw a figure which will give you a better understanding. So now when you draw a cube, you have to consider only the 5 faces of the tank, because the base is not included here. The rest of it is going to be covered with a square tile. So whatever information is given in the question, I have just written down here. The square tile of side 25 cm. And here the edge of the cubical tank is 1.5 meter. And remember, whenever you are going to do such type of questions, you have to convert both the values in the same units. Only then it will be possible for you to find out the number of tiles required for you will be easy to calculate. So now we will see what you have to do. The first step here is, you have to find out the area of the 5 faces of the tank. As it is a cubical tank, we are going to apply the formula of a cube. So it will be equal to 5 side square. So now this side is nothing but the edge of the tank is 1.5 meter. So now we will write that here it is 1.5 meter whole square. As I told you, here it is in meter and here it is in centimeter. So we will convert this 1.5 meter into centimeter. So when you are multiplying it by 100, it becomes 5 into 150 into 150. So the answer, you don't go to find the final product of it. In such type of question, avoid finding the final product. Then next we will see what is the area of the square. So now area of the square tile will be equal to side into side, that is 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. So now here also it is meter was converted into centimeter and centimeter. So I will write here it as centimeter square. So now you need to find how many tiles are required. See, just imagine now this square, with this square tile it's going to be covered like this. These are the square tiles by which the tank will be covered. Okay, this is just an assumption I am showing you so that you will understand it better. Okay, like this it's going to be covered with the square tile in all the 5 faces. So now you have to find the number of the square tile. Number of square tile required for covering this tank will be equal to the area of the tank divided by the area of the square tile. Okay, so now they both are in the same units. So here it will be 5 into 150 into 150 divided by 25 into 25, and here also it is in centimeter square, here also it is in centimeter square. So now we will try to simplify. These two will get cancelled and here it will be 5 1 and here you can cancel 5 and here you can cancel 5 and here it is 30. Now again here you can cancel here 5 and it is 6. Here you can cancel 5 and 30. So you are left with 6 and 30, which is equal to 180 tiles. Found the number of tiles required. Number of tiles required is equal to 180, and in the question it is given that the cost per dozen is equal to rupees 360. So now we have to see in 180 how many dozens are there. So for that we have to divide it by 12. Okay, to find out the number of dozens. So number of dozens here will be equal to 180 by 12, which is equal to 15. So there are 15 dozens here. So now we will be finding out the cost per dozen. Cost per dozen is 360. So now cost of 15 dozens will be equal to rupees 360 into 15 here, which will be equal to rupees 5,400. So this is how you people have to solve such type of question. Once again I will repeat. Step 1 is you have to find out the volume of the tank. And in this tank they have told one of the faces is not going to be considered. So we have excluded it. Otherwise you have to include all the faces of the square. And then here they are asking you to find out the number of tiles. So you are going to divide it by the shape of the tile. Suppose here in this case it is square. If it is a rectangle, then you may have to divide it by length into breadth. And one more point what you have to remember is both the values should be in the same unit. Usually they will give you in different units. You have to do the conversion. Only then you will be able to cancel it and you will be getting the number of tiles required. So now next step is you have to find the cost. Even when you find the cost, in few questions they give directly the cost. But in this question they are given cost per dozen. So in that case you have to divide it by 12. After you divide it by 12, then at last you are going to multiply and you are going to get the final answer. Okay children, I hope you people have understood. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye children.